Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 11 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then simply scroll down to the very bottom to find system and updates. Now let's tap on date and time. And as you can see here, we've got some options which we actually right now cannot customize because as you can see, everything is set automatically. So in order to be able to actually pick the date and the time, we have to turn off this switcher, so the second switcher. And as you can see right now, we've got this date and time options visible. So let's simply tap on date. And as you can see, just by swiping, you can change the date, confirm it with OK, and it will be immediately applied. The same situation with the time, just by swiping, confirm it, and it will be applied. It will be also visible on the status bar. You can change the time zone if you want to. Just enter it and you will have this this huge list of available time zones from which you can choose. So simply find yours and tap on it. So let me pick maybe this one, and of course it will be immediately set. However, be aware, because after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it, so remember about that. Here you can also customize the clock format. So currently we are using 24-hour one, but of course if you want to use 12-hour, just simply turn off this option, so tap on the switcher. What is more, we've got this dual clock option, and it's up to you if you want to use it. If not, just turn it off by tapping on the switcher. If you want to, just turn it on. And basically dual clock works like you will simply have two different clocks applied on the home screen. The first one will show you the time from the place you're currently in, and the second one another place of your choice. So it can be each place in the world, each place you want to. Alright, so basically this is it. This is how to manually customize the date and time. Of course, you can go back to all previous settings, so just set everything automatically just by tapping on the switcher, and basically it will be immediately applied. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.